In today's video, I'm going to share a method with you which is as simple as copy and paste, and you can earn up to $1,500 plus online. And I'm sure you're probably watching this thinking, sounds pretty scammy, or it's not possible, but I can assure you it is. And also for this method, anybody can do this from anywhere in the world. You don't need to spend a lot of time on this. You definitely don't need any experience, and I'm going to show you how to do all of this step by step. Now, if you watch the video till the end, you'll know exactly how this works. You'll see proof that this method works, and I'll also share with you how to speed up the entire process and a really cool little hack, because this method is, I think you'll agree by the end of the video, you'll agree it's pretty awesome. And all I ask is, if you find this video useful, please give it a like or drop a comment down below. I'd really appreciate that. So let's jump over here. Let's attempt to jump over here. What is going on here? Let me close out of that. I apologise. I don't know why it's doing that. Let's go over here. There we go. So first of all, hello and welcome. My name's Mark. This on the screen is my blog. It's called Not Taught at School, and we share about making money online, whether that is earning online, side hustles, product reviews, interviews, affiliate marketing, YouTube, etc. So if you're looking for, different ways to earn online, there's lots over on the blog. Feel free to go ahead and check this out. So in today's video, we're coming over to this website over here. Now, this one is called Upwork, but you can use what I'm going to share with you on hundreds of these websites. So I've just come down here and you can see, where's it gone? I've typed in the word article writing jobs. Now, if I scroll down here, we can see there's hundreds of people. Well, sorry, if you don't know, Upwork is a platform where people will go ahead and list their jobs or tasks they want completing, and people, freelancers, can go ahead and apply for them. Now on here you will find lots of articles, lots of work, whether it's in writing and translation, whether it's admin, lots of things. But let's just scroll through and I'll show you how this copy and paste element comes into this, because it's unbelievably simple. Now if I scroll down here, we can see this is the job, basically what somebody is looking for, and how it works is you can simply go ahead and apply to any of these jobs on here. Now keep coming further on the page, and all we're doing is we're scrolling through. So look, article writer required, looking for writers who are good at doing strong research, writing and editorial skills. And you might be watching this thinking, I'm not good at writing, and I don't know how to rewrite or anything. You don't need to, because as the video title says, this is copy and paste. And then we see this one over here. This is a fixed job for $1,500. Okay, let's open it up and have a look at this. So, copywriter needed for 100 articles on home appliance repair. Scroll down here, we expect 100 articles of about 3,000 to 4,000 characters with spaces. This can be over several weeks by sending an article every single day. Okay, so they're paying $1,500. And what is it that they want? We need articles related to the most common breakdowns of washing machines, dishwashers, and ovens. In addition, we are looking for a person who can handle articles on home plumbing and electronics. Well, we can copy and paste, so guess what? We are the people for this job. Now, this is just, as I've mentioned, one example. So, let me show you how this works. So, let's just copy this. This is the copy part. Copy this. Then, we're going to go over to here. We're coming over to here. Now, there is a link to this down below, and I was trying to find this page. Yeah, this is the page you want. Using the link down below, you can go ahead and use this software for 10,000 words completely for free. Now, this platform over here, it is AI software, and basically, you can use this for anything. You can use this, I'll show you inside in a second, but it's awesome. It's been around for about 18 months now. The company works with some top brands. They've got, you can go ahead and check out all of the reviews. But if you use, as I've mentioned, the link down below, it will take you to this page where you can trial this completely for free. And as you can see here, 10,000 free words. So it's pretty cool. So let me show you inside of it. So let me click on here and we're going to go over to templates. Okay. So we'll go into the templates, or the home page as it's known. Now, in a second, let me just log into my account really quickly. Now I'm on the inside. Let me get rid of this here and let me click on templates. Okay, so this is inside of here, and we've got all of this on here, and you can use this for a number of things, but today we're focusing primarily on this over here. So we're going to click on long form assistant and start from scratch. Now what do I want? Well, title. So let's just paste that in there. So most common breakdowns of washing machines. Okay, common breakdowns of a washing machine. Content description brief. So I'm just going to paste that in there again. Tone of voice. Now in here you can type in a tone of voice for the content to be written in. So you can see we can have this in excited. You can have this. There's 100 and I think it's 128 different variations of this. You can even go with something like expert copy writer. Okay, and then we're going to click on keywords here, so I'll just leave that. Output length, do we want this short, medium or long? So I'm going to leave it on long, and I'm going to come down here where it says compose, and I'm going to click, and then I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to let the software do its own thing. And as you can see now on the screen, it's starting to create an article for us, and it's it'll just keep going. Okay, so now it's finished. You have a read of it. So washing machines are generally reliable, but when they're and then just read to the end of it. If there's no power at either end of the lead, then call an electrician or appliance repair specialist for help. Okay, hit on enter, and I come down here, and guess what? I just click on compose, and again the software is going to, as you can see, create the article for us. So what have I had to do there? I have literally copied from Upwork here, and I've pasted that into here. And basically this software here, it will just keep creating these articles for us. So I think you'll agree it's very straightforward. It's a simple matter of copy and paste. And I can already hear the skeptics saying, well, lots of people might apply for this job over here. Yes, they may do, but with this software over here, you can apply for one job here. This is just one example on one website. You can even use this software not just with writing content. You can use it for many more things. But if we go up here, let's say we wanted to search for, I don't know, say blog content, and we're going to come up here and we're going to filter this to hire professionals and agencies, browse and buy projects. Let's click on that, and we're going to search here. So come further down the page here, look again, a fantastic article and blog content starting from $30. Content writer to write a blog. So if I click on here, we can see people are, look, you will get content writer to write a blog. So people are actively putting their own listings on here for creating content. And you can see the prices on here of how much they're charging, what's included, and the topic. And you see on here like topic research and other things. Well, guess what? This software over here, you don't need to do the research. It's already done it for you, because basically this AI software, it goes back over the internet and it goes up to 2020, and it combines all of its knowledge and things from all over the web, and then it brings it in here and creates a content for you, and it's unique content. And the cool thing about this is not only can you do this if you want a part rewritten. So if I just copy this up here, for example, and I come up here, you can rephrase it. I can fix the grammar, and it says explain it to a 5th grader. So if I click on there, it takes a second, and then look, it does this. And if you're not happy with that, you can try again. So it will rewrite it again, look. And then you can also rephrase this. So if I click on rephrase, you see, if this is da-da-da-da, so it's basically taken that, but span it. So if you're happy with that, you click on that, and that's it done. So using this piece of software over here, it can create content for you incredibly quickly. And as I've shown you, it's just copy and paste. And that's just one example for you. If we come back over here to the templates, let's just go ahead and have a look at video as an example. Video scripts hook and introduction, topic ideas. So let's go ahead and have a look at, let's go back on here. Let's go to the home page. And we will search in here for, so we will click on the drop down box. Let me just click on accept. Where's that box gone? Scroll back up here, click on find work for your skills. And what are we looking for? Well, let's just type. and then we're going to search for this. Look, browse any projects. So in a second, look, oh sorry, let me go back. Let me go back to that. Projects, search projects, YouTube script. Hit on search, and again, we can go through and find, different ways of making money from simple YouTube scripts. But Upwork, this is just one platform. Other places you could go to people per hour. And again, you could do the same process. We'll go over to people per hour and we can type in, so search up here, look, we'll go to search offers, search freelancers, search projects. So we'll click on search projects. And all we're doing here is we're just using the software. So in this example here, let's just go with article writer. Hit on search, and we can see over here there's 151 people looking for a writer for our travel blog. Come further down the page, I need articles on pets and health topics, £371. Do you think you could, copy and paste what they ask you to do into the software? You absolutely could do. And look, this one. There's hundreds of opportunities just purely for content, writing content. And if I type in, let's just type in YouTube script. YouTube script. Let's have a look for this one. Not as many, but again, look. Oh, we've got YouTube thumbnail. Look, script writing for TikTok videos, 215. I'm looking for this. A custom script again. So you can go onto this website. You've got guru.com. You've also got sites like you could go onto SEO Clerks. You could go onto Fiverr.com and many more. But as I told you at the beginning, it is a simple matter of fact. It's a simple process of copy and pasting, because whichever website or project you're working on, they will give you what they want in writing or in the form of an email. They will tell you what they want the blog article to be about. And then all we do here is we come on here, and you can go into blog, and you can start creating content inside of here. And blogging's just one part. You could even do Facebook ads for people, Google ads. You've got video on here. We've got search engine optimization, social media, and lots more. So look, there will be a link to this software down below. It will take you over to this page where you can try it for 10,000 words completely for free. So sign up for free and then go onto sites like Upwork over here, like People Per Hour, and just start applying for some of these jobs, because it will not take you a lot of time. So look, that's today's video. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.